Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to build an efficient client onboarding system in Airtable. Start off by creating a new base in Airtable. This is your foundation for organizing all of your client information. Think of it as an interactive spreadsheet with superpowers that allows you to manage and visualize your data in various ways. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting up tables for each crucial aspect of your onboarding process. For instance, you might want tables for contacts, tasks, and progress. The reason we do this is to ensure all necessary data and processes are clearly defined and easily accessible. Next up, create fields in each table to capture specific data points. In the contacts table, for example, you might add fields for name, email, onboarding date. This helps us because it allows us to store detailed information about our clients and their onboarding journey in a structured way. Once your fields are set up, it's time to link your tables. This is where Airtable really shines. For instance, you can link a client in the contacts table to a task in the tasks table. Let me explain why this matters. Linking tables helps to create a relational database, meaning you can connect related data for a more holistic view of your client's onboarding process. Now you've got your basic structure, you can create views. Views are different ways of looking at your data. For instance, you can create a calendar view for tasks' due dates, or a Kanban view for tracking progress. This is invaluable as it allows you to customize how you interact with your data based on your needs or preferences. Finally, automate your workflows with Airtable's automation features. For instance, you can set up an automation to send a welcome email to a new client as soon as they are added to the contacts table. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By automating repetitive tasks, you save time and ensure consistency in your onboarding process. And there you have it. You've just built an efficient client onboarding system in Airtable. With this system, you can streamline your onboarding process, keep all your client information organized, and ultimately provide a better experience for your clients. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the power of Airtable.